Hey guys, George Handyman Hits, up about 30 feet. And the other day I put this, hang on a second, get comfortable here, corner guard in. Okay, so we can see it on the gutter here. Okay, it's for valleys, and it's supposed to stop big flow of water. So now what I got to do is I'm resealing this in here. Okay, so I'm trying to set this up so you guys can see what's going on. It's going to be really difficult up here, but we'll try. Let's see if I can do this without wrecking anything. Okay, let's see. You guys can see what I'm doing here. Let's try it this way. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, well, I'm going to try and, what I'm going to do is I'm going to caulk it. Let's see if I can put the camera here. Kind of a lousy spot too, but let's see if you can see what I'm doing. Like over here. Yeah, it's kind of hard. It's a shadow here. What I'm trying to do is put this caulking in. I'll show you what I'm doing in a second. I'm laying it in pretty good too. And there's a reason. It's a special caulking for gutters and leaders. Tight bond it's called. Okay, and I'm just gonna lay a bead in here, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. I'm trying to see what I can do here without not being able to see what I can do. If that makes any sense. It's a bad spot here, buddy. Oh boy. Trying to get it all here in one clip if I can. Get the screws. All this stuff was caulked before, so I want to make sure I get it all this time too. Okay. Another one here. Okay, now shut this off so it doesn't keep lobbing the heck out of everything. Okay, so you see I got a bead in here. Look, I'm gonna smash that down with my finger. All right, I think you can basically see what I'm doing here. Okay, I wanna get a little more in here first. There's a seam, a couple of seams here. I'll make sure I get it in there. I'm going heavy because this thing was leaking. So I figured I might as well take care of it now. Have any problems? We don't want them here anyways, right? And high enough up, that's for doggone sure. Okay, I think I got it pretty good. All right, so let's get rid of this messy stuff here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, take my finger, get comfortable here, it'll be another story. Okay, get myself high enough up here. This is it. Oh, there's a seam here. I got to get the very corner in here. It's like a little corner here. Let's see if I can leave the, I guess I can leave the camera hanging like this. Boy. Okay, guys, hang tight. I'm really laying it in this spot because this has always been a issue. It never, I mean, it didn't always leak, but it's possible it could. So now what I'm going to do is make a mess. Take my finger, swirl it around, and kind of spread this caulking around. Basically what I'm doing. Best I can. It's a nice day for this. I got tons of other stuff to do, but this got to get done. And like I say, this stuff goes everywhere. But that's okay. Doing the best we can with it. It's not, you know, it's not rocket science, you know, really, but I want to put it on the gutters. I do want to stop some leaks that I definitely have here. The valley seems to work okay. I mean, it's really hard to tell because I had so much. Should have brought a rag up with me. That was stupid. But I had so much rain the other day, I couldn't even tell. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this stuff's starting to leak out on me too. Okay, so right now you can see there's a mess down there. So I'm gonna try and do this trick. Swoop it around, get in here, and just push it into the crack. That's all I'm doing really. Okay, doing that, pushing it up in here, best I can. Hopefully that does the trick. Okay, this is where you have the problem. Got to be careful because you end up getting more shit everywhere else than you need. And I can see how it happens now because this thing just poured onto my hand. It's okay. Got it though. I'll keep changing gloves, that's all. No big deal. Don't care as long as it works, right? That's the main deal. Okay. Some crap on this already, but that's okay. I'll just take these gloves and throw them over the side. Okay, I just got another couple of spots here. And I'll show you this as soon as I'm done. Believe me, it's just a horrible spot here. Yep. You don't want to take off more than we got already there, so. Okay, I think that'll do it. I'm not gonna mess with it any more than that. Okay, now I gotta get these off without making a major mess. That's another joke. I'm gonna try. Okay, they're going over the side, down on the grass. Before I make any more disastrous messes here. Getting older, so my height, dealing with heights, things have changed, you know. I would have paused the video, guys. Okay, guys, phone heated up. So anyway, I just sealed it all in this corner here. Okay, all from the top. I got to get the 2 screws down in here, and I just put a bead down there, and I'm just gonna spread it with my finger. I don't know if this thing's gonna stay hot or not. I mean, stay on. It's ridiculous. It shuts itself off. So I'm going to try and do this on an angle. I'm going to actually lay the foam right in the gutter. I don't know if that's going to help. Let's see. Maybe. Yeah, sort of. Yeah, it will. Okay, so I'm going to just take my finger and spread the caulking. So that's all I'm doing. Okay, and I've got to reach for myself here, so it's not too, it's not the opportune thing here. Let's put it that way. But just needs a bead. And that's all you need. Just push it in. That's all. It's a mess. Long story short, but that looks pretty good. So I'm not going to push the issue. Smooth it out there. Smooth it out in the corner here. And that's it. And that's pretty much all you got to do is seal that up. Okay? And I'm probably going to have to cut the video here. But I'm doing every corner of the house. It's a real pain in the ass, but it's got to be done. It's an older house, so she's due. You know, got a couple of little drips. It's not really a big deal, but this corner area was a nightmare. So, yeah. So just trying to clean up my space here.